Best ATX Motherboards reviews help users choose reliable, high-performance boards with better compatibility, cooling, connectivity, and future upgrade support. My today's video is about top 5 best ATX motherboards review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gigabyte B850 Aorus ATX motherboard. This ATX motherboard delivers an excellent balance of power, stability, and future-ready performance for gamers and content creators alike. Built with the AMD socket AM5 platform, it fully supports Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, ensuring strong multitasking and next-generation computing capabilities. The 14+2+2 power design provides reliable power delivery, making it ideal for demanding workloads and smooth overclocking performance. Its DDR5 compatibility with 4 DIMM slots offers faster memory speeds and improved responsiveness for gaming, streaming, and professional applications. Thermal performance is another standout feature, thanks to the VRM and M.2 thermal guard system that helps maintain lower temperatures during extended use. Connectivity is equally impressive with PCIe 5.0 support, 3 M.2 slots for ultra-fast storage expansion, USB-C connectivity, and sensor panel link integration for customizable monitoring setups. Overall, this motherboard combines premium features, strong cooling, and excellent upgrade potential in one dependable package. Now our second product is Asus ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi. This AM4 motherboard is an outstanding choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking reliable performance, strong connectivity, and excellent upgrade flexibility. Designed for AMD Ryzen 3000, 5000, and G-series processors, it delivers smooth multitasking and responsive gaming performance for both modern and competitive titles. The robust 12+2 teamed power stages, combined with premium alloy chokes and durable capacitors, provide stable power delivery even during intensive workloads or overclocking sessions. Gaming connectivity is another major highlight, featuring PCIe 4.0 support, dual M.2 slots for high-speed SSD storage, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort 1.2 for versatile display setups. Networking performance is equally impressive with built-in Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and Intel 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, ensuring fast, low-latency connections for online gaming and streaming. The intuitive UEFI BIOS dashboard simplifies system tuning, while the included 60-day IDAS 64 Extreme subscription adds valuable monitoring and diagnostic tools for advanced users. Our third product is ASRock AMD B850i Lightning Wi-Fi 6E socket. This mini ATX motherboard is an impressive solution for compact gaming and high-performance small form factor PC builds. Despite its compact 170 by 170 mm design, it delivers exceptional power and next-generation features, supporting AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors with remarkable efficiency. The 10+1+1 phase power design paired with 110A smart power stages ensures stable power delivery, making it ideal for demanding gaming sessions and heavy multitasking in tight spaces. Memory performance is another standout feature, with dual DDR5 DIMM slots supporting overclock speeds up to 8200+ MHz for ultra-fast responsiveness. The inclusion of a PCIe 5.0x16 slot provides excellent compatibility for modern graphics cards, maximizing gaming and creative performance. Storage capabilities are equally strong thanks to the blazing M.2 PCIe Gen 5x4 and Hyper M.2 Gen 4x4 slots for lightning-fast load times and data transfer speeds. Advanced networking with killer 2.5G LAN, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth, HDMI, and USB-C DisplayPort support completes this compact yet premium motherboard package. Now number 4, Gigabyte B550M Aorus Elite AX motherboard. This AMD AM4 motherboard offers an excellent combination of stability, connectivity, and user-friendly features for gamers, creators, and PC builders. Designed to support AMD Ryzen 5000, 4000, and 3000 series processors, it delivers dependable performance for gaming, multitasking, and everyday computing. The pure digital 5+3 power phase design, paired with premium chokes and capacitors, ensures steady and efficient power delivery even during demanding workloads. Thermal performance is well managed thanks to the enlarged MOSFET heatsink, which improves heat dissipation and maintains system stability. DDR4 compatibility with 4 DIMM slots and extreme memory profile support allows users to maximize memory performance for faster responsiveness. Connectivity is another strong point, featuring PCIe 4.0 support, dual M.2 slots, USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and GB LAN for smooth online gaming and fast data transfers. Its DIY-friendly design, integrated I/O Shield, QFlash Plus BIOS update feature, and intuitive BIOS interface make building and upgrading remarkably simple. And our last choice is MSI Pro B550 MVC Wi-Fi Pro Series motherboard. This motherboard is a strong choice for gamers, creators, and performance enthusiasts seeking reliability and speed on the AMD AM4 platform. Supporting AMD Ryzen 5000, 3000, and 4000G series processors, it delivers smooth multitasking and excellent gaming performance, though it excludes compatibility with Ryzen 5 3400G and Ryzen 3 3200G processors. Its DDR4 memory support with speeds up to 4400 MHz overclocked ensures fast responsiveness and stable performance during intensive tasks. The motherboard stands out with PCIe 4.0 support and Lightning Gen 4x4 M.2 storage, providing ultra-fast data transfer speeds and quicker game or application loading times. MSI's M.2 Shield Frozzer and premium thermal solution, including 7W/MK thermal pads and additional choke cooling, effectively reduce heat buildup for consistent long-term performance. Power delivery is equally impressive with Core Boost technology, digital PWMIC, and a durable 2 ounces thickened copper PCB for enhanced stability and efficiency. Features like Creator Genie and DDR4 Boost further optimize performance, making this motherboard ideal for demanding workloads and high-end gaming setups. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.